Owlcrate Toys and Games. Today we're with Xander from the core operation.
Hello.
Today we're going to be opening Owlcrate Jr.
Tell them when we got this Owlcrate Jr.
in November 2020. So it's pretty old, but we have a couple of these boxes. And we haven't opened them because we have a book to read still. Then we can open the new ones after we get to book. Now, let's open this.
Looks like we have this pamphlet on top. A pamphlet comes with every box. Home Sweet Home, November 2020. Get Swept Away by Howl's Moving Castle, the classic fantasy novel by award-winning author Diana Wynne Jones, published by Green Willow Books and HarperCollins Canada. Oh, that seems to be it right there.
Yep.
We also have Keep Your Prized Possessions and Maybe a Snack safe in this Hobbit hole-inspired zipper pouch, designed by Cole Bizney.
Look. Oh, both of them are
Next, we have use this keychain to open the door to your ever-evolving room in Nevermore's most exclusive residence, the Hotel Dykeland, designed by Pineapple Sundays. Welcome to Villa Vilculi, home of the incomparable P.P. Longstocking. This jumbo magnetic bookmark was created just for our subscribers only. Would you be brave enough to enter Baba Yaga's home? This 100-piece puzzle features her magical house on chicken legs, designed by Veep Doodles. This month's adorable sticker was illustrated by Maria Neradova, Mar Illustrator. We have this book. This is the sticker right here.
Yep, that looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
The book is called Cinders and Sparrows.
Yep.
Here's a short abbreviation of the book, it looks like. 12-year-old orphan Zita, Brigenborn, receives a mysterious letter delivered by a scarecrow saying she has inherited a distant castle, once home to a powerful dynasty of witches. Will she learn the secret history of her long-lost home before danger catches up with her? Cinders and Sparrows is a delightfully spooky new gothic fantasy from Stephen Bachman. So we have this sticker.
So we have this sticker book, and this is where we get all the stickers and put them in. This is where we put them all in.
Do you want to do the honors of putting the sticker in?
Sure. Thank you.
Looks like we have this note from Stephen Bachman. Dear readers, when I was younger, I longed to be a mysterious orphan who inherited a castle. My family and I had just moved to a far-off country. I couldn't speak the language, and so I spent much of my time daydreaming about finding my way to some enchanted place where I could be a powerful mage, and wear sharp black uniforms and investigate hauntings. And one day, I've met in a story rather similar to this one about a child exploring a vast and dangerous house and learning the magic asks. 15 years later, I wrote it down. This book contains haunted sitting rooms, monstrous creatures, enchanted staircases, twists, secrets, teachery, but it's about home. It's about finding that. All of my books are about that. And I always hope that those who need it will be able to find a home in stories like this one. Blackbird Castle is yours now. Here is your letter inviting you in. Thank you for reading. Enjoy looking about. But beware the blue stairs. And then we have a thing.
Here.
Oh.
Read that.
The theme of December's Owlcrate Jr. is winged beasts.
Oh.
Flip for a sneak peek. This looks like it's going to be for the next Owlcrate that we open. And it also has some stuff on the back. Flip for a sneak peek. Open a magical door and enter a world of unknown beasts and characters. Next month, with the first in what is sure to be timeless new fantasy series. This funny and unforgettable journey will be perfect for fans of Alice in Wonderland. Nevermore, The Midnight Hour, and Alibi, Enthystone. P.S. If you're already a subscriber, your account will renew automatically. Yay.
Now, let's do this. Look at this. And let's put it in. What?
Well, this was a good thing this month for the Owlcrate. We also have this bookmark, it looks like.
Yep.
It was nice.
Yeah, it was pretty nice.
It was an excellent day for a witch to return to her essential home. Well, goodbye.
Bye. Like and subscribe and share. Bye.